So I did find that removing this carrier here was good to have two hammers. So I was hitting this with two hammers at once to balance out the force, and it worked. So the new spacer bearing is on. Just like the fellow in Toronto instructed, I used a cold chisel and I chiseled off this old bearing and tapped the new one on. So that's about that. I'm going to put the nut on now. With this Roby, I'm not going to know how much torque it has. Just going to try not to break it. That Roby was essential. That's what the fellow in Toronto used, was some kind of impact tool to get this thing apart. So there was no way this could have been successful without spending $137 for an impact tool, which I didn't have. And go ahead and mark your yoke to your drive shaft end. Okay, gonna try and put it back together now.